So guys, today I'm actually making a YouTube of I'm gonna actually use my RC card today. So I just need to turn it on. I think it's already on. Yep, it's already on. And I'm going to find a place that I already know. It's gonna be
Charlotte, come on, baby.
It's gonna be right there near the bumper. And I place it, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So guys, is it a good place so you guys could see, or a bad place? Wait, what's the problem? Oh, maybe flip it over. There guys, I found the place. Now it's good. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Oops, it fell, so I think that wasn't actually a good idea. I'm just gonna turn it off and think where it is. No, because if it goes back, it's actually not gonna work. See? This is my brother, and he's gonna say hi. Hi. Guys, I just need to find a place where to put it. Wait, maybe I'm gonna go get the cap and see where it is. And see a good place. Where's the piece? It's not in the cap. Guys, I don't know where's the piece, to put it on. Just said it's in the cap. No, it's not. Go check. Guys, I'm going to put, the cap on. Okay. Wait, guys. Let me put it in this place first.
Tá fazendo o táxi dos meninos, sério?
Yeah, it's right, I think. Forgot how it goes.
Não precisa fazer, não.
Wait, peraí. Wait, you need to put that on
First,
first.
deve ter perguntado.
Then, where did you find the piece? Yeah, it's on the front. Okay. Guys, it's finished. So guys, it's finished, and now I just need to turn it off. I mean on. I told you I was already on. I turned it off so the batteries couldn't run out. And this is the type of batteries it is. Okay. Let me show you. That's the type of battery, and the other one is actually charging right now. It is right there. See it? Now I'm gonna find a place where to put it. Papai, se abaixa. O quê?
Só abaixar no escudo.
Eu só vou abaixar um pouquinho. So guys, my dad just turned off the volume a little bit so you guys could hear me, and I'm finding a place where to put it right now. Oh, wrong way. Okay, that way. Guys, is it good? Look at that. But it's gonna be pointed to the ceiling, like maybe this is good.
Joe.
Charlotte, you can't run off like that. Stop, Mom. You're mentioning us.
Guys, is that good enough? I'm just gonna get an elastic.
Hello? Charlotte, baby, I'm losing you. Hello? Hello?
Mama, is there any elastic?
Oi. Ah, esse aqui é o nome do falso? Fala pra ele.
Guys,
Esse aqui é o nome do
there's
falso.
no
Esse aqui é o
elastics,
falso.
so I'm gonna try it without elastics, and it's actually on the bumper. Let me show you.
Listen, Joseph Blue Mountain Nurse
It's right there at the bumper near the wheel.
said there were men shooting. I don't know. Anyway, she lost reception. I tried to call her back.
Alright, we'll check it out.
Alright, well, I'm headed up there right now.
No, you're not. We'll handle it.
I'm turning it on.
Please.
Ooh. Guys, this is an RC Car Pro. It's had on the box. Look.
It's probably just some kids who were shooting.
It's an actually RC Car Pro. Guys, it fell, so I'm gonna ask my brother if he can feel me using it. Can you? Sure. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna do stunt tricks right now, like wheelies a couple times. What a no! I'm gonna try that one more time. Oh, the piece fell. You need a little piece. You put the piece at the table over there, right there. Okay. He did not land that. Wait, let me try the. He's gonna do one more and then I'm gonna try. Okay, let me try. So guys, my brother's gonna try now and I'm gonna film him doing it. My mom and my brother are gonna play headband. That's why he's with a headband on. Go. Wait, guys. Guys, I think that was actually a good one. Say if it was bad or good, okay? It was actually a pretty good one, I predict. Guys, so this is the end of the video because, my brother is just gonna do one more wheelie. Go. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video because my mom needs her phone. Bye. Peace. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.